When I left home, of course, I knew that today would be sunny, but unfortunately, I've forgotten my sunglasses at home. That is why sometimes it is very difficult to open my eyes when just the sun just is dropping to my eyes. But nevertheless, it is very good again being here, being in nature. Also, I have some food. Yes, I'm gonna eat them, but not now, a little bit later. Yeah, a couple of hours I'm gonna just be here. You see the view of the park, how it is beautiful, right? It's so beautiful. It is so peaceful place. And sometimes I like when in parks there are many people. Sometimes I don't like, honestly. But today is Friday, that is why, and also the weather is so nice. Yeah, I also like just to enjoy today's day with just unknown people, with people who actually I don't know, but it is not important. The important is that when I see that people also just hang out and with their families, with their beloveds. Yeah, and also the sun is shining. This is perfect.